Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging with me a bit today. Super excited you're here because we're kicking off Outfit of the Day, What I Wear, where you get a week of outfits, you get PA weather, you get a little bit of life in there, you get sleepy sidekicks, Wyatt's joining me. If you see a tan puppy, that's Zena. If you see a kitty, that's Harvey, and I'm Laura. Please stick around, hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. So this week and the next week, so the next 2 weeks, are going to be a bit messed up. So you're not going to see a video next Sunday, or what I wore video next Sunday. I'll have to replace it with something else because I'll be traveling. Should have told you in last week's video. So you're going to see this after the fact. But I have to travel for the next 2 weeks. I'm going to the office for a couple days. I'm back one day. And then I leave very, very, very early Friday morning for the Philippines. So I won't get there until, I believe, late Saturday, early Sunday. And then I'm in the office in the Philippines from Monday through Thursday. And then I come home, start the trek home Friday morning. So it's going to be a bit crazy and making me a little stressed over getting everything ready for Christmas, but it'll all come together. So I'm not sure how many days you're going to see, but I'm guessing you'll get at least 5 outfit of the days out of it and probably a little extra, and I'll take you on the journey with it. We're kicking it off today on Sunday as I'm trying to organize, clean up from my dad being in our basement. So we're just trying to get all that done. Plus I have some videos to do and like packing. I'm going to try to start packing because since I have quick turnaround times here. So it is 28 degrees. It's only getting up to a high of 30. The sun is trying to come out. And it is freezing cold and we woke up to no heat. So we also are going to get that taken care of today. We have no heat. It was really cold in here this morning. And for outfit of the day today, I obviously chose warm and cozy, right? So I have on a Loft outfit. I actually shared this picture on Instagram. I really enjoy this one. Blue and gray bottoms and a top, matching top. Threw on this Dylan vest that I got once upon a time in a Trendsend quite a while ago. And then my new Sorels, also from a Loft haul, or cozies in the house. They work really well too as slippers. For jewelry, I just put gold hoops on, and that's it. So Wyatt and I are going to get to it. I hope your week starts off amazing, and I'll catch you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Monday, time for outfit of the day. It is very chilly outside, 26 degrees. Only getting up to 31 today, so staying below freezing. And we still have no heat. Yes, the furnace is still broken. They did come out and look at it yesterday. However, it requires a part to fix it. And I don't know when that part will be in. They think maybe this week. Okay. So it's about 62-ish in here and feels really, really cold to me. However, we're managing. It will be fine. Hopefully they get it fixed here within the next day or so. And I'll be traveling starting tomorrow anyway. So my husband can get this fixed by the time I get back. For today, my Wantable sweater weather edit posted. Such a great box, right? I think my stylist did a really nice job. I ended up keeping 3 items from that one. I kept the Z Supply cardigan with that little bit of shimmer. I kept the Bowie sweatshirt. I really liked that. And I kept the Liverpool sweater mixed media jacket, so with the sweater on the sleeves and then the plaid kind of in that, the body of it. So I thought that was super cute. So those are the 3 that I kept. And for today, I have nobody's joining me. I think everyone's laying by the fireplace downstairs. So I chose Vervet denim from a Wantable, a Dahl sweater that I just recently kept from a Stitch Fix. Grabbed a jacket by Z Supply that I believe I also got in a Trendsend. This one's nice and warm. It's lined. Hopefully it'll be good for the outside as well. Chose Dolce Vita booties. Love these. And then for jewelry, I have on an Ana Luisa necklace, my mom's necklace, my larger hoops, and that's it. I didn't put a bracelet stack on because I keep pulling my sleeves down because I'm cold. So, although this is a really nice, nice warm cozy sweater. All right, I gotta get back to work. Hope you're doing amazing. I'll see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Tuesday, time for outfit of the day. It is about 4:45 in the morning, pitch black outside, and freezing cold, 24, getting up to a high of 32. We still don't have heat. but I'm headed out, so I'll soon be in the warmth of my car. And for outfit of the day today, I chose Mother Denim from, I believe these are from Nordstrom. I have on a Peyton Jensen top, so obviously this is pretty old from a old Trendsend, but I still love it. Paired it with this amazing jacket from Express. You may remember from a haul a couple years ago. For shoes, I have on, what are these? Mark Fishers. Aren't those fun? Like the little kitten heel. And for jewelry, I just put on an Ana Luisa necklace, hoop earrings, and a small bracelet stack. And I am set to go. I'm off. Hope you're doing amazing. I'll see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Wednesday, time for outfit of the day. And let's see, it is this morning 23 degrees, getting up to 38. My home still doesn't have heat, so I don't know if we're getting it this week. We'll see. But my husband's doing well with the space heaters. For outfit of the day today, I have on AG denim from a Front Door Fashion. I have on a Evereve top from a Trendsend. I love it with the thumb holes because it's chilly outside. I put a Cabi blazer on. You may remember this is an oldie but a goodie. I love it. For shoes, let's see if I can get my feet up here. Check these out. My gold toe Dolce Vita, which I love. Although my feet are screaming today for some reason, so we'll see if I make it through the whole day with these on. And jewelry is the same as yesterday. I think I'm ready to go. All right, I will see you tomorrow. I'm pretty sure I will be able to do this tomorrow. Friday is when it starts to get a little bit sporadic because I leave super early in the morning for the airport Friday morning, but I'll do what I can. I'll see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Monday. So yes, I knew I took like a several day break. Friday, I was up at 2 in the morning to head to the airport. I wore very relaxed, comfy clothes, Varley pants and a tank and my denim jacket from AG, which I love, the Robin jacket. And I had slip-on tennis shoes. That was my big outfit for Friday. We arrived Saturday night in Manila, so I kind of like, that Saturday was gone. And then yesterday was basically a relaxation day. I did get to do a little bit of shopping. I just had shorts and a top on, but it was a really nice way to at least try to get used to the time zone. I'm still struggling. I was up at 2 a.m. this morning, couldn't go back to sleep, and it is now Monday morning. And we have some outdoor activities today as well as inside activities. So I actually am dressed in semi-casually. We'll see. Hopefully I dressed appropriate. I'm really not sure. But I have on a Loft skirt. It is warm outside, so it's 87 for a high today. It is 7:30 in the morning and it's already 80. So it's warm out there. And my hair, even in my room, is already starting to grow from the humidity. So I just washed it. It was nice and straight, and now all the frizz is starting to come. It's that humid here. And let's see, my top is by Bobea that I got in a Trendsend a while ago. And then for shoes, I put on my Tory Burch Millers in the black. And that's my outfit for today right now. My jewelry is an Ana Luisa necklace, a Rocks box necklace. I forgot to put bracelets on, but I did get this one shopping, so I love the citrine. So I threw that on, and my hoop earrings, and that's it. All right, I hope you guys are doing amazing, and I will see you tomorrow with another outfit. Hey everybody, it is my Wednesday. It would be your, in the US anyway, Tuesday evening, but it's Wednesday morning, 7 o'clock in the morning, and it has been a rain off and on kind of week, but it's been super warm. It's 77 right now. It's getting up to 87. My hair just loves the humidity. It's even humid in my room. But it's been a really, really great trip so far. The people are so kind, so amazing, so happy. So it's really great to be here. I realized I forgot to share out for the day yesterday, which I had planned to do, but then I ended up being in a hurry to get out of my room and didn't get a chance to get it done. So I want to make sure I did today. Today I have on a Steve Madden dress from a JB Stylebox. Paired it with my Tory Burch Millers and the same jewelry I've been wearing this entire trip. My gold hoops, my necklace from Ana Luisa, and the pink one, this little pink one, is from Rocksbox. And I bought a couple new bracelets since I've been here. I love the citrine, and added that to my stack. Hope you're doing amazing, and I'll see you later. Hey everybody, it is Friday and time for outfit of the day. Let's see, I've had some video posts this week, right? I had my Zara haul, which was amazing, and I had my Anthropologie haul. So I hope you guys enjoyed those. Let me know if you would like to see any other brand hauls that I might be able to deliver on. But I enjoyed both of those. So it is time for me to head to the airport, and I forgot to share my coming airport outfit, but it was very similar to this one. On the way here, I had Varley black pants on. I had on an Evereve black tank. I had on my AG denim jacket, and I had on my Dr. Scholl's slip-on tennies. These are super comfy. And on the way back, I have on, obviously, the Dr. Scholl's tennies. I'm going to do my jean jacket. I have on a black tank from Free People, and I have on Spanx bottoms. And these are very comfortable. I love things that I feel like I can sleep in as well as be comfortable in, that aren't going to get dirty, because this is going to be about 36 hours till I get home. And my jewelry, I have on what I wore down. So Ana Luisa necklace, my Rocksbox necklace, just hoop earrings, and that's it. I am ready to go. All right, I hope you're doing great, and I will talk to you probably Saturday. Hey everybody, it is Saturday and time for final outfit of the day this week. It is early in the morning because I have a hair appointment. So of course, after getting home later yesterday evening, it took a long time to actually get home. I got home around 8 p.m. I'm up early because of course I had a hair appointment this morning, which I'm excited about. And it was a really great trip. I'm so glad to be home, but I loved every minute of the trip. The people there are so incredibly kind. They're always happy and in a good mood. It is very just warm, tropical. It's a beautiful place to be. So I'm happy to have had that opportunity, but I'm also happy to not be on a plane anymore. My Ana Luisa and Stitch Fix posted today. My Stitch Fix was amazing, full of items that I could wear every day. So I did end up keeping all 5. And my Ana Luisa jewelry is also amazing. I hope you check those items out because I think they're going to be great Christmas gifts for you and for others. And I have to share, I got this really nice gift in the mail that was such a pleasant surprise from one of my very, very loyal subscribers. I just love her so much. So she sent me a little card as well as some beautiful gifts. I love this. You see that? Santa, it's basically a zoo in here, which I think I've been talking about. I love that. It is just perfect. And then this handcrafted little ornament. It says, "I am always with you." So I love that in memory of Linda. So I cherish it, cherish both gifts. So a huge thank you to Nicole who sent this to me, and I just love it. Love it. You made my week. All right, for today's outfit, I have on, my stuff is everywhere. I had to I dumped my suitcase last night just trying to find things. So I'm kind of just wearing all kinds of shades of brown today because it is freezing cold outside at 21 degrees. It's getting up to 38 for a high. And I pulled a pair of Mother denim, a Loft just long sleeve t-shirt, this gorgeous Sister Bloom sweater with the fur trim. I love it. I got this at a local boutique. Put on shoes from Seychelles. boots, I should say, boots from Seychelles. And then finished off with jewelry that I got while I was in the Philippines. They are known for their pearls. So I have on a pearl necklace with my initial. I have on the matching bracelet. Hopefully you guys can see that. How cute is that? It also has my initial on it. So cute, right? And hoop earrings, and I'm set to go. I will list all my outfits down below. I know that it was a bumpy ride this time with everything that I had going on, so you got just a sporadic outfits this week, but I'm pretty sure I got you at least 7 outfits. And I'll list as many as I can down below. If I can put a link directly to the item, I will. Many come from boxes, so of course I'll put the boxes. Please hit that like, hit that subscribe, share what your favorite outfit was, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, everybody.